I know when it comes on the issue of making money online, people are still skeptical. They think that everything that is going online is a scam. They think that everyone who makes money online is a scammer, which is not true. And that's the stereotype. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 stores that have made over 1 million on Etsy platform. They are just selling printables like t-shirts and other designs. So if you want to learn more about this, stay with me to the end of this video. And if you like this video, hit the subscribe button below and don't forget to like this video. One of the stores that has generated over 1 million US dollars in sales is this store. They've generated a lot of money just selling t-shirts with the service called Print on Demand. So this store is called Crazy Dog T-shirts. So most of the products in this store are t-shirts. And I've made a thorough investigation here, research. It's like a research. I've learned that most of his products or her products, because I don't know, I use his or her because I don't know whether the seller is a man or a female, I don't know. I'm just reviewing his store because of his success. We can learn and to get motivation from his success. So as you can see it here, he has generated over 95,000 in sales. This store has generated over 95,000 sales in general, or in total. So, and I've seen that most of his products or her products lengths has priced more over 17 US dollars. So if you take just 17 US dollars, because most of his products are over 17 US dollars each product. So if you take 17 US dollars times 95,000 sales, you'll get over 1 million US dollars. So he has got a lot of money just from one store, as you can see it here. So you can check other products that is selling, like other products that is selling. These ones, most, as you can see, have priced over 17 US dollars. Most of his products have been priced over 17 US dollars. So if you calculate 17 US dollars times 95,000, you get over 1 million US dollars in sales. So it's a lot of money. Do we get any lesson from this store? Of course, a lot. That print on demand can be a life savior. Print on demand is the way of new business, and it's the best way to generate passive income. Apart from dropshipping, print on demand really is locking. It's print on demand is locking, and the website that is generating a lot of sales is Etsy. And why Etsy? Because Etsy has so many loyal customers when you compare to other websites. Another store that has generated over 1 million US dollars sales is this store. So also this one is selling funny t-shirts, funny designs, and most of his products are priced over 15 US dollars. And if you calculate the number, and one of the t-shirts that has given him so many sales is this one. This design has generated a lot of sales. But there are other products that also have linked to very well and have generated a lot of sales. So the total sales of this store, as you can see it here, you can see the total number of sales. So the total number of sales in this store is over 100,000 sales. So if you calculate, you find that this store has generated over 1 million US dollars. So those who were skeptical and don't believe that print on demand can be a life savior, this is the proof. This is the living proof that it is a very good business if you hit the right button. Now, you can calculate yourself, and you can prove that it's over 1 million sales as this store has already generated. So Another print-on-demand store that has generated over $1 million in sales in this store. It's called Last Earth, and they're located in the United States, California. So this seller has generated over 56,000, as you can see here, sales over 56,000 sales up to this moment of recording this video. And he has made over $1 million sales because most of his products that he's selling here have been priced over 20. Most of them have been priced over $20, as you can see here, $20, $20, 22, $24, $25, $22, as you can see here, $22, $20, $24, $26, $22, $23, $22, and here $23. So most of his products or her products, because I don't know if they're female or male, have been priced over $20. So if you let us take just $20, then times 56,000, you'll find that this store has generated over $1 million. It's a lot of money, to be honest. So people are killing it on print on demand. People are locking. The stores are bringing wealth, are making print on demand, is making people millionaire. So we can learn something from this store also. So don't copy everything, but take it as a motivation, as a lesson that print on demand also can make you a millionaire. Only those, but also this store has generated over $1 million in sales, and just selling print on demand with the simple designs. This store is called Hello Hand Pressed. So also this store has generated over $1 million in sales. Let me show you. For example, this store here, as you can see, the sales here has got 68,000 sales in total, and his products are over $14. Most of his products have been priced over $14. Let us check some of the products, as you can see it here. You can see them here. $14, $29, almost $30, another $14, and now when you take that amount times the sales times this number of sales that the store has got, you'll find that the store has already generated over $1 million in sales. Simple, with simple designs, and this one just posting simple designs, as you can see here. It's very simple but funny. So what I've learned is that most of the funny t-shirts have higher number of sales when you compare to other categories. And as you can see here, just simple text. Just simple text has made him or her a millionaire. So also, I don't mean that also you should copy everything, but take this as an inspiration. Take this as a motivation. Take it as a light that there is another way, legit way to make money online. Don't believe those naysayers who are thinking that when a person is talking about making money online, it's talking about scammers. It's all about scammers. There are people who have stereotype. They think that whenever you talk about making money online, you are also a scammer. But I'm just showing you the numbers that how people are making money online using print on demand. So take this also as a motivation. If those are not enough, let me show you another store that has generated over $1 million in sales, just selling t-shirts and other printables. Let me show you. This store is called Print and Arrow. It's located in Washington, United States. As you can see, the seller has generated, this store has generated over 63,000 sales. So they are approaching 64,000 in sales. Now, most of the products that this store is selling, I've seen that have been priced over $14 each product. So if you calculate plus this number of sales, you'll find that this store has already generated over $1 million US dollars in sales. Let us check some of the products that this store is selling. As you can see, they're just simple designs, just text. As you can see, just simple text. For example, this t-shirt is saying girlfriend, cross, fiancé, cross, then wife. So this also has got a lot of sales. Just simple like this one. So you don't need to use of lot of energy. Some simple is beautiful. Sometimes it's simple, and most of the time simple is beautiful, but should be funny. Anything funny usually stands out the noise. I've seen that most things that are funny or inspirational or exceptional tend to go viral and to get a lot of sales. So as you can see here, most are just simple designs, just text but are funny text.